Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download MPV player for PC. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to mpv.io, and this will be their homepage. Now from here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you should be able to see what this application is all about. And you should be able to see here the installation icon. So click on it. And from here, you should be able to see multiple platforms. Now from here, just simply go for the second link over here and click on this one. From here, guys, you should be able to see here this one. So click on here below the download tips. And now from here, just simply click on the download icon on the top right. And then I'll go ahead and go to the folder location. So click on the folder icon, right click on this one, extract all, select a destination to extract the files. You could select browse if you want to change it. Now from here, you should be able to see the application over here. Now from here, you should be able to drop the files or URL to play over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.